Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Spectrum router UPnP not successful. So here's a guide for your NAT type failed, fix Xbox and your PS5. Fix 1. Enable your UPnP via the Spectrum router local admin panel. Access the router, open a browser on a phone or computer connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi and type 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. Log in, enter the admin credentials found on the physical sticker stuck to the back or bottom of your Spectrum router. Locate UPnP settings. Navigate to the Advanced Network or WAN tab. Toggle switch. Toggle the UPnP option to enabled. Reboot. Click Apply or Save, then restart both your router and your gaming console. Fix 2. Assign a static IP and reserve the console IP address. Find the console details. Go to your Xbox or PS5 network settings page and write down the current IP address and MAC address. Open My Spectrum app, launch the application on your mobile device and log in. Navigate to Devices, tap Services, go to Internet and then go to Advanced Wi-Fi settings, select IP reservations. Save the console. Locate your Xbox or PS5 in the list matching the MAC address, select it and tap on Reserve IP. Fix 3. Clear console alternate MAC cache and power cycle. For Xbox, go to Settings, select General, and then go to Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings and then go to Alternate MAC address and select Clear and allow the console to restart. For PS5, turn off your console completely, unplug the power cable from the back for 2 full minutes to completely flush the network interface, card cache, then plug it back in. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.